Hamro English Guru YouTube channel मा स्वागत छ। Welcome to Hamro English Guru YouTube channel. आउनुहोस् आजको भिडियोमा सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीका वाक्यहरूको अभ्यास गरौँ। तयार हुनुहुन्छ त? Let's begin. सुरु गरौँ। के तिम्रा कोही शत्रुहरू छन्? Do you have any enemies? Enemy भनेको शत्रु। Do you have any enemies? सबैको शत्रुहरू हुन्छन्। Everybody has enemies. Everybody has enemies. म तिमी जस्तो मान्छेलाई भरोसा किन गरौँ? Why should I trust someone like you? Trust भनेको भरोसा गर्नु। Why should I trust someone like you? यसको उत्तर अब यसपालि मेरो भरोसा गर न ल। Please trust me this time. Please trust me this time. मलाई त्यसरी धोका दिने हिम्मत कसरी गर्यौ? How dare you betray me like that? How dare you betray me like that? How dare you भनेको हिम्मत कसरी गर्यौ? यो How dare you बारे अर्कै भिडियो छ यही हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानलमा मजाले बुझाइएको छ, त्यो पनि हेर्न नछुटाउनुहोला। र यो च्यानल र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासलाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब पनि गर्न नछुटाउनुहोला। सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टी पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला। म सबै थोकको लागि माफी चाहन्छु। I am sorry for everything. I am sorry for everything. यसरी नै अझै पनि प्रश्न उत्तर अभ्यास गर्दै जाउँ। अब अर्को प्रश्न छ, के तिमी मलाई रिस उठाउन खोजिरहेका छौ? Are you trying to anger me? Are you trying to anger me? मैले तिमीलाई रिस उठाउन खोजेको होइन। I didn't mean to make you angry. I didn't mean to make you angry. मैले तिमीलाई दिएको चिठीहरू कहाँ छन्? Where are the letters that I gave you? Where are the letters that I gave you? कृपया मलाई माफ गर्नुहोस्, मैले तिनीहरू हराए। Please forgive me, I lost them. Please forgive me, I lost them. के मैले यति कडा अभ्यास गर्न आवश्यक छ र? Do I need to practice this hard? Do I need to practice this hard? अब उत्तरमा यदि तपाई कडा अभ्यास गर्नुहुन्न भने तपाई कहिले जित्न सक्नुहुन्न। You will never win if you don't practice hard. You will never win if you don't practice hard. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने लाइक र शेयर पनि गर्न नछुटाउनुहोला। तिमी किन जहिल्यै बहाना बनाइरहन्छौ? Why do you keep making excuses? बहाना भनेको excuse. Why do you keep making excuses? मैले कुनै बहाना बनाइरहेको छैन। I am not making any excuses. I am not making any excuses. के तिमी झुटो बोल्दैछौ कि सत्य बताउँदैछौ? Are you lying or telling me the truth? Are you lying or telling me the truth? म कहिले झुटो बोल्दिन, म जहिले सत्य कुरा बताउँछु. I never lie, I always tell the truth. Truth भनेको सत्य कुरा, lie भनेको चाहिँ झुटो बोल्नु अथवा झुटो कुरा. I never lie, I always tell the truth. तिमीसँग कति पैसा छ? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? मसँग अहिले धेरै पैसा छैन. I don't have much money right now. I don't have much money right now. Right now भनेको अहिले, यस समय. I don't have much money right now. तिमीले उनलाई किन सत्य कुरा बताएनौ? Why didn't you tell her the truth? Why didn't you tell her the truth? जब समय आउँछ तब म उनलाई सत्य कुरा बताउने छु. I will tell her the truth when the time comes. I will tell her the truth when the time comes. के आज पानी पर्छ? Will it rain today? Will it rain today? मानौ तपाईलाई थाहै छैन, तपाई भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ, मलाई पटक्कै थाहै छैन. I have absolutely no idea. I have absolutely no idea. के तिमीलाई थाहा छ यो काम गर्न कति गाह्रो छ भनेर? Do you know how hard it is to do this work? Do you know how hard it is to do this work? यो त्यति सजिलो देखिन्न अथवा यो त्यति सजिलो त देखिन्न. It doesn't look too easy. It doesn't look too easy. तिमी मैले भनेको कुरा किन कहिल्यै सुन्दैनौ? Why don't you ever listen to me? Why don't you ever listen to me? उत्तरमा अब तिमी चाहिने कुरा कहिले गर्दैनौ? You never talk about useful stuff. You never talk about useful stuff. के तिमीलाई मान्छेहरूको सहयोग गर्न मन पर्छ? Do you like helping people? Do you like helping people? मलाई अरूहरूको सहयोग गर्न धेरै मन पर्छ. I love helping others. I love helping others. उनले भनेको कुरा तिमीले बुझ्यौ? Did you understand what she said? Did you understand what she said? अब यही प्रश्नलाई यसरी पनि सोध्न सकिन्छ get प्रयोग गरेर. उनले भनेको कुरा तिमीले बुझ्यौ? Did you get what she said? Did you get what she said? अब पहिलो उत्तर हेरौं यसको. मैले अलिकति मात्र बुझेँ. I understood only some of it. I understood only some of it. Understood भनेको बुझेको, understand को past form. I understood only some of it. अर्को पनि उत्तर हेरौं. मैले सबै थोक बुझेँ. Yes, I understood everything. Yes, I understood everything. के तपाईले भोजमा रमाइलो गर्नुभयो अथवा पार्टीमा रमाइलो गर्नुभयो? Did you enjoy the party? Did you enjoy the party? मलाई भोजमा रमाइलो लागेन. No, I didn't enjoy the party. No, I didn't enjoy the party. तिमी कहाँ जान चाहन्छौ? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? उत्तरमा म मेरो साथीलाई भेट्न जान चाहन्छु. I want to visit my friend अथवा I want to go visit my friend. I want to visit my friend. I want to go visit my friend. तिमीलाई अहिले कस्तो छ? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? अब यसको उत्तरमा I am feeling much better now. म अहिले धेरै राम्रो महसुस गर्दैछु. I am feeling much better now. के तिमीलाई लाग्छ कि म यो गर्न सक्छु? Do you think I will be able to do this? Do you think भनेको के तिमीलाई लाग्छ? Do you think I will be able to do this? अब यसको उत्तरमा म पक्का छु कि तिमीले यो गर्न सक्छौ. I am sure you will be able to do it. I am sure you will be able to do it. I am sure भनेको म पक्का छु. I am sure you will be able to do it. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. र दुबै च्यानलको सबै भिडियोहरू एक गरी हेर्न पनि नछुटाउनुहोला. आजलाई यति नै. Take care. Have a great day.